Alright, let's get started. First, we have our background image. We'll begin by selecting it and changing the color to black and white. Now that our image is grayscale, we'll copy and duplicate it for the next step. With our duplicated image selected, let's head over to the Format Picture option. Next, click on Reset in the Format Picture gallery. Now, we're going to use the Picture to Shape option. Let's select a rectangle shape. Now adjust the crop so that it looks beautiful. See how it transforms your slide into something truly artistic. Next, we'll go back to our background image and make a small adjustment. Let's reduce the brightness from 25 to 22 to make sure it complements our colored image. Let's add some text to our slide. Make sure it stands out and complements the overall design. Let's take a look at the final result. As you can see, this technique can be used to create any color effect or stunning visual design you want in your presentations. Experiment with different shapes, colors, and images to make your slides truly unique.